Hello YouTube, Jamie the Cleaner is here with another video, and this time, if you saw the last video, we talked about the Greenworks pressure washer, and today we're gonna do some very affordable upgrades to it. Because what I found on the Amazon was a brand called Twinkle, and for around like 22 bucks you get a pressure washer gun and foam lance, and another 20 you get the 50-foot pressure washer hose. This is what the gun looks like and foam cannon. Nope, seems alright at first glance. And even the hose feels pretty good. So, we're going to put this stuff on, and then we are going to check them out for the first time together. So let's put the stuff on and check it out. Alright, we're back and we got it all hooked up now. Everything going good. We got this glob of 50-foot hose here. We got the Twinkle foam cannon all prepped and ready to go. So we're going to foam. We're going to do, I guess I can do a little comparison there with my phone. We're going to do a little comparison with just another Amazon foam cannon. They're very comparable, look, almost identical. So I'm expecting pretty much similar results. Now when I did fill this up and gave it a shake, I do see some foam starting to come out around the base here where you screw it in. I don't know if you can see that foam. So that's unusual. Who knows, this thing might explode. Let's try and tighten it up or something here. Nope, still doing it. Nope, look at there. Squeeze it, and bubbles come out. Let's hook this thing up and see what happens. Alright, let's do this. Alright, Twinkle Star, I'll give you a squeeze, and bubbles come out. My other foam cannon does not do that. But let's give it a go. This might be some good stuff. Make sure the soap is all the way on. I think more. The stream of the foam comes out to the right. That's pretty funny. It looks like we're getting pretty good foam. So, it didn't explode. I still see, maybe that's just, see a little hole there. So maybe it lets air leak out, but this one does not do that, or the bottle doesn't let me squeeze it enough to where I do that. I do see a hole on this one too. So it must be a pressure thing. Put that little pinhole in there I see now. Couldn't see it with all the foam in the way, but I see it now. Alright. Right. That's some good foam. We got pH neutral soap. This is Honeydew Snow Foam, if you were wondering. But not bad. Not bad at all. Comes out a little sideways, but that's alright. Rinse this off just a little bit. If you saw my last video, you'll know how the other one performed. No leaks with the gun so far. Has a little wobbly trigger. It is perfect so far, really good. First impressions are really good. Now we're switching to the normal Amazon foam cannon with no Twinkle Star label. This one is the Twinkle Star label. I don't even remember what this one, it was just the cheapest Amazon foam cannon I could get at the time, which was I don't even know, 6-7 months ago. So let's see what this one can do. Very comparable. It's pretty hard to tell which one is better, but the Twinkle Star definitely competes with my first Amazon foam cannon that I got. So don't knock each other over. Fell over anyway. The hose hasn't exploded yet, so that's a good sign. A lot of hose to detangle and stuff, but that's alright. I think this is going to work out very nicely. So far I am very impressed with the Twinkle Star gun and foam cannon. We're off to a little shaky start, but I think I figured it out. It just has a little pinhole right here. It lets air kind of go through it. But I don't know why this one wouldn't also do it. I see the hole, but this bottle must just be really rigid. I can't squeeze this one at all, but I can definitely squeeze the Twinkle Star one. But so far so good. So far so good. Get in here. Alright guys, well that is the Twinkle Star gun with foam cannon and 50-foot hose. I am giving it a big thumbs up at the moment. We will see how things continue to go in the future. This was just kind of first thoughts on this stuff, but really good. No leaks so far. You saw the performance, really good. And I'll keep you posted if anything explodes or rusts super fast, or maybe the handle flies off or something. I don't know. Follow me on the Instagram at Jamiethecleaner. I will continue to finish detailing this car, this Chevy Sonic, and I will holler at you guys down the road. See you later.